Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you how to solve unsecured Wi-Fi network on iPhone using a few easy methods you can do yourself. First, let's start with deleting all saved Wi-Fi networks. Open the Settings app from your home screen. It's the one with the gear icon. Next, tap Wi-Fi to open the list of available networks and the ones you've connected to before. Now, tap Edit in the top right corner where you can manage your saved networks. Finally, remove all the saved Wi-Fi networks by tapping the red minus sign and Delete so you can start fresh. Now, let's move on to double-checking your Wi-Fi username and password. Open the Settings app once again. It's always the first step. Tap Wi-Fi to see the networks around you and the one you're connected to. Tap the little eye icon next to your Wi-Fi network. It gives you detailed options for that network. Re-enter the correct username and password carefully because mistakes can cause unsecured connections. Also, make sure to enable private Wi-Fi address for extra security and to avoid tracking. Next, let's forget the network and rejoin it properly. Open Settings just like before, easy and quick. Tap Wi-Fi to view your current network and other available ones. Tap the eye icon next to your Wi-Fi where you can access important settings. Tap Forget this network to erase the connection completely from your device. Then, rejoin the Wi-Fi by selecting it again and entering the correct password to set it up securely. Finally, if nothing else works, it's time to reset your network settings. Open the Settings app to get started fresh. Scroll down and tap General, where all the major settings are located. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. It's usually found at the bottom of the screen. Tap Reset. Then choose Reset Network Settings from the menu. Confirm it by tapping Reset All Settings, and your network settings will go back to default, fixing most issues. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks.